Hello dear students, today I want you to create a tool for learning the words in the dictionaries that you have. So first of all, you need to click in www.google.com or write mes-english.com. When you click in mes-english.com, you need to scroll down until the end and you'll find that it says here Worksheet Makers. You click on Worksheet Makers and then you are gonna click on Free Word Search Maker. Then you are gonna create one word search maker just by writing the words in the dictionaries. So it says, type the words you wish to include one per line. So for example, I am in dictionary page 9 and I'm gonna write down enjoyable, then in the other line fatty, then in the other line feel, in the other line healthy, in the other line I'm gonna write down young, in the other one I'm gonna write down meal, then I'm gonna write down obsessed, then I'm gonna copy outside, shape, sugary, and then tasty. As soon as I finish copying, I'm gonna click on Make It. When you finish making it, you're gonna find a word search that you created. Here are the words that you typed. And at the end, that it's an answer key. It says where the words are. As soon as you have it, you need to take a screenshot and say that you did it. You can print it if you are at home and do it, or you can take a photo and send it to me that you did it. Thank you.